Exigo All Permissions, No Data Gateway. To modify user permissions, go to Administration, User, and select a specific user. Click on Modify User Details. Under the General tab, you modify the user's login information, warehouse department, and timeout. Under the User Menu tab, you can modify access to certain sections such as Home, Customer, Accounting, and Administration, or specific pages within those sections. Under the User Info tab, you can edit the user's personal information. To modify the user's security, click on Modify User Security. Under the Documents tab, you can modify the user's accessibility. Under the Customer Access tab, you can modify access to customer information, warehouses, countries, currencies, and vendor types. The Order Access tab allows you to restrict access to payment types. Under the IP Restrictions tab, you can skip the client IP check to allow the user login from anywhere. Under the Tool Access tab, you can modify the user's access to Visual Studio and Exigo services and Dashboard Portal. For a more in-depth overview on this subject, check out the corresponding training document in the Details section below.